In this lesson, you will learn how to recognize the AI extract function to pull specific data such as phone numbers and emails, comprehend how to use AI fill for auto-filling missing values in your dataset, use AI Ask to generate insights from your data, ensuring relevance, organize data with AI Table for better structure and clarity, translate text fields using AI Translate to process multilingual data effectively. Let's get started with the first and simplest feature, which is AI.ask. Over here, you can see that we have this Excel file. The first question just asks, who's the CEO of Apple? So we can type =AI.ask, and we'll get all of these options. We'll go with the ask as we just have a question here. This is the prompt for us. It's basically what you're asking. You can put it in quotations as well if you wanted. We'll close parentheses and hit enter, and you can see that we get that Tim Cook is the CEO. So that's all looking correct. Now, let's be honest. That's quite an easy question. We could have just looked that up on the internet. So let's go with something slightly harder. Over here, it says to write an email telling my manager to reschedule our meeting to Friday as I'm on holiday. Hopefully, this is a bit more challenging for it. We can type =AI.ask, and this is just our prompt. We'll close that and hit enter. Now, let's see what it comes up with. You can see here that it generated a subject, and it's also got the manager's name here as an input and a whole lot of text as well. So it's looking fairly professional in my opinion. So far, so good. In this section, I'm going to show you how to use AI.fill function in Microsoft Excel. Open Microsoft Excel and click on Create New Workbook. I've created an example for you here. Country, capital, currency, GDP. I've already provided the answers for the first 3 rows here, and I want ChatGPT to fill in the rest for capital, currency, and GDP. So it's very simple. All you have to do is use the AI.fill option. And we want to type in AI.fill, and then we're going to go ahead and select the row here. We're going to select the country row here all the way down to where we have the answers, which is GDP. And we want the AI to make the decision on what will be the remaining here. And we want the AI to pre-fill and tab it, and it's going to provide you with the answer. Now, we're going to align this cell to make sure everything is right aligned. And click, and that's it. As you can see, it wasn't that hard, and we got the answers. In this section, I'm going to show you how to use the AI.translate function in Microsoft Excel. Open Microsoft Excel and click on Create New Workbook. I've created an example here for you. We want to translate something here. I created the original text, target text in the output. What kind of answers we're going to get? So what we're going to get is, what is the answer for today in Spanish? So we're going to type in =AI.translate, and we're going to give it the column here. We select the word today, and we're going to go and select Spanish. Then close the parentheses. And the answer is hoy. Let me show you a trick. Expand that cell all the way down, and you get all the other answers automatically. You get tomorrow as mañana, you get food as comida, and coach for car think as peña. This is the translation for Spanish for those words from English. Now, let's say if we make a change here and change that to German. What kind of answers are we going to get for tomorrow? We're going to get Morgan, and if you change something here, let me see, for water in Italian. Let's say we change that to Italian. So we get AA in Spanish is aqua, and Italian is aqua. See, that was pretty easy. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use the AI extract in Microsoft Excel. Open Microsoft Excel and click on Create New Workbook. Here's an example I created. We need to extract the information based on the criteria selected under in the Excel, such as phone number, email address, date, number again, amount, email address, license plate, website, transaction ID, and date. We're going to use the AI extract function. All we have to do is go to the right here, double-click =AI.extract, and then we're going to select the criteria. The criteria is going to be the D cell here, and then comma, and then the target is going to be EAL, close the parentheses, and it gives us the phone number. Now, if you want to extract all the information, all we have to do is use the same technique. Double-click, expand that cell all the way down to the date, and it extracts all the information that's required based on the EAL. And as you can see, it extracts the phone number, email address, the date, phone number again, amount, email address, license plate, website, transaction ID, and a date. Finally, let's cover the AI.table feature, which is super useful when creating structured data from unorganized information. Let's say we want to create a table of the top 10 countries by population. We can use the equal sign, AI.table function here. For the prompt, we'll simply describe what we want. Create a table with the top 10 countries by population, including their name, population, and rank. After typing this, we close the parentheses and hit enter. Within seconds, it generates a clean and organized table for us. This feature is perfect for saving time when you need to quickly gather structured data without having to manually search for it and input everything. It's accurate, efficient, and incredibly handy for creating instant data sets. To summarize, recognize the AI extract function for extracting key data points. Comprehended AI fill to automatically fill missing data. Used AI ask to generate insightful responses from your data. Evaluated data organization with AI table for clarity. Translated text fields using AI Translate for better multilingual handling.